Ahoy, shipmates! We're up early this morning. Up before the sunrise. I thought we'd have a little look this morning at something new for me anyway. And that is the Volendam. Volendam is a Carnival Corporation ship operated by Holland American Line, which makes a great deal of sense considering that she is registered in Holland and has a Dutch name. It was launched in September 1998 and has been in service ever since. Now, unusually, we have a cruise ship arriving from somewhere other than the English Riviera, the glorious Bournemouth Bay, or the wonderful Weymouth Bay. In fact, Volendam has come all the way from The Hague. I believe she was anchored there for some time, floating around, taking a little trip along the North Sea, through the Dover Straits, past the glorious South Downs, over to the Isle of Wight, slow down for a bit, and go past the banana boat and up to Southampton. Now, I have to say my new drone seems to perform better in lower light levels. My old drone would have struggled this morning. Quite busy in the port this morning again. All the ferries are getting ready for the annual commute to the mainland from the Isle of Wight. We have a ro-ro coming in behind. I think it might be an opportunity here to experiment with the camera. That's surprisingly good. I have to say, this new drone is certainly much better than the old one. Really pull those colours out. And the Volendam weighs in at 61,000 gross tonnes. Got a length of 237 metres. Not the biggest cruise ship, but a reasonable size. I would say she's got some fairly classic lines. Good looking bow. An elegant sloped stern. I quite like the way that the lifeboats are concealed along the sides of the ship there. And well lit up as well. I can see a few shipmates about at the moment on the stern of the ship. And a few on the bow as well. Getting ready with those lines, I'd imagine. Top speed is 23 knots. That's 43 kilometres an hour for you continental types. And 26 miles per hour in Queen's English. Capacity is 1,432 passengers with a crew of 647. I really need the ship to move around a bit more into the ever-rising sun, but I'll try another shot here. The light is improving all the time. Yep, it's really very good. A little bit of a breeze this morning, stirring up the water. Not quite mirror-like, but nonetheless, that's very impressive. The Volendam is docking at 46 berth, which you can see in the back of the picture, and the cruise ship terminal. It's a trickier one for me to film, this one. I like a bit more motion when they're moving. Here I just get the manoeuvring. How about one from the side? I think we should give that a go. Look at that wonderful ship outside the beautiful port of Southampton. What a glorious October morning. Could probably have done a bit more height on the drone. Let's try one from this angle. That's not bad, is it? Fortunately, at this particular location, I am very restricted by the approach path to Southampton Eastleigh Airport, which means I can't go above 60 metres. And I frequently find that 80 metres is a sweet spot for a pleasing image. Yep, it's very pleasing indeed. Very impressed with the new drone. The Volendam has 3 sister ships, the Zaandam, the Amsterdam and the Rotterdam. I think you can understand the naming conventions there, all named after Dutch towns and cities. And apparently the theme on board of the Volendam is flowers, and she features many floral designs throughout. The main atrium of the ship contains a sculpture spanning 3 decks. Well, till next time, shipmates.